3 sewing machine boutique, long stitch, overlock and interlock. More than 20 years of spring and autumn, more than 20 years of hard work, MAQI has been committed to making sewing machines more intelligent, more advanced and better to use. Always adhere to the leadership of scientific and technological innovation and strive to create 3 sewing machine boutique, lock stitch, overlock and interlock. In order to create 3 sewing machine boutique, MAQI has formulated product design, manufacturing and inspection standards that are higher than the national industry standards and have reached the current industry-leading level in strict requirements on key quality indicators such as torque, noise, vibration, and sewing performance. Through continuous investment in technology R&D, MAQI has successfully established a 3-level innovation and R&D system with cooperation with the company, universities, and world-renowned enterprises, and has hundreds of core technology patents in the field of stepping motor sewing technology. The sewing performance and technical indexes of 3 sewing machine boutique have been surpassed. Especially the successful launch of the self-adaptive digital lock stitch sewing machine and the self-adaptive digital overlock sewing machine at an intellectual property rights, marking the progress of the 3 sewing machine boutique on MAQI to a higher level. In order to create a 3 sewing machine boutique, MAQI has improved the manufacturing process and equipped high-performance professional automation equipment. In order to create a 3 sewing machine boutique, MAQI has continuously improved its manufacturing level to provide users with high-quality products and technical services. Due to the system management and control of the product life cycle process, all links must undergo strict testing. Lean whole process manufacturing management process monitoring enables MAQI's 3 sewing machine boutique to stand the test of time. Set a benchmark, cast high-quality products. 3 sewing machine boutique comprehensively pursues that the unpacking pass rate is much higher than the industry average, the product maintenance rate is much lower than the industry average, and the product value preservation rate reaches the forefront of the industry. This is a solemn commitment of MAQI to every user. MAQI makes every sewing machine with all our heart. Keep ingenuity, become a craftsman, and build every sewing machine with a heart. It is our unswerving responsibility to deliver high-quality products to users. Efforts to create a 3 sewing machine boutique, MAQI and you, together to the future.